Over 50. Stubborn belly fat and achy, stiff knees can slow you down, but heavy workouts only cause more joint pain. This gentle, zero-jumping Tai Chi routine melts waistline fat, lubricates rusty joints, and relieves knee tension safely from home. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 1. Torso twist and arm swing. Bend your back knee, tap your front heel forward, and twist your torso with one hand in front and one behind your back. This gentle twist melts stubborn waist fat and stabilizes knee joints with zero impact. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 2. Wide wing openings. Stand shoulder width apart. Cross your arms in front of your chest. Stretch upward and open wide to the sides. This decompresses the spine, tones the upper body, and gently stimulates full body circulation. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 3. Half squat and arm extension. Drop into a wide half squat with elbows bent, then stand and twist left, reaching one arm straight behind you. Return center and repeat to burn belly fat and strengthen knees. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 4. Half squat and shift reach. Cross arms in a half squat. Shift weight to the left with your right toes tapped, and stretch arms upward. This builds knee supporting muscle strength, sharpens balance, and trims the lower belly. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 5. Back kick and toe touch. Kick one foot back and touch it with the opposite hand while reaching the other arm up, alternating sides. This releases tight knee tendons, stretches the quads, and fires up deep core calorie burn. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 6. Side step and palm push. Step to the left and push your right palm diagonally upward. Then smoothly return and switch sides. This targets stubborn side waist fat and strengthens lateral knee support with zero joint pounding. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 7. Lunge and arm openings. Reach both arms forward. Step one foot back into a gentle lunge and open your arms wide to the sides. This opens up tight chest muscles, engages your core for fat burning, and strengthens knee stability. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 8. Calf raise and arm pull. Reach your arms forward, then lift onto your toes while pulling both hands back to your waist. This tones the calf muscles to protect your knees, improves balance, and engages lower belly muscles. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 9. Knee lift and hand tap. Lift one knee up, tap it with the opposite hand, and reach your other arm high, alternating sides smoothly. This stimulates lower abdominal fat burn and lubricates stiff knee and hip joints without jumping. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 10. Weight shift and foot press. Step one foot forward and shift weight front to back, tapping your toes and gently bending your knees. This strengthens knee supporting tendons, relieves joint pressure, and activates lower body circulation. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 11. Hip sway and arm wave. Sway your hips gently side to side while keeping your arms straight in front, waving them up and down alternately. This loosens stiff hips, melts stubborn side waist fat, and releases lower back tension. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 12. Hip sink and heel tap. Stand wide, sink weight into your left bent knee while tapping the right heel straight, then switch sides. This builds gentle strength around the knees and trims excess fat along the hips and thighs. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 13. Torso twist and high arm swing. Stand with feet apart. Twist your torso side to side and swing one arm high overhead while the other swings back. This rotation melts waistline fat and gently builds knee stability. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 14. Overhead cross and chest swing. Cross arms overhead in a half squat, then stand tall, swinging arms down and back while lifting your chest. This improves posture, burns upper body calories, and protects knees. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 15. Half squat and chest open. Sink into a half squat with bent elbows. Then stand up and open your arms wide while expanding your chest. This engages thigh muscles to relieve knee load and trims belly fat. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 16. Marching high arm swings. March gently in place while bending your elbows and swinging your arms high overhead. This low-impact cardio melts belly fat, warms up stiff knees, and boosts circulation. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 17. Side lunge and arm cross. Step diagonally into a gentle lunge, cross arms and open wide overhead, then shift to the other side. This tones side waist fat, relieves knee stiffness and sharpens balance. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 18. Hip sway and overhead arm wave. Sway your hips side to side while reaching both arms straight overhead and waving gently. This deep waist activation melts belly fat and releases pressure from your knees. Wonderful job today! Which gentle movement made your knees and waist feel the most relieved? Tell me in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, and join me again tomorrow.